Hey everybody, we're back from the church and sadly there is no bells. But we got Cosmo, Vector, and this robot. Let's go wake him up. Uh-oh, he's angry. Sorry, Emo. Alright, guess what everybody? Day 1 and day 2 is now ended. You know why? Boom! Eilik is here. Yay! I'm using a different tripod because I'm using this, as you can see here. Using this more. Let's see if it works. Alright. I had to start at the back because the address is in the back. Sorry. I have to be careful with the privacy reasons. I don't want to leaking addresses. Anyways, I am going to open with the fork. I'm not going to show it on camera because it might be a dangerous video stuff. So I'm only using with the fork, or I'm going to use actually. Please note, forks could be a little dangerous. Well, if you're eating a fork like spaghetti, well. I'm not going to use the knife because knives are dangerous. Well, I'm actually brave at that. Well, I have to be 18. I got to be careful. If you're using a fork for opening a small unboxing video, it might be a little dangerous because, look, it has little 4 stingy stuff. Alright, now I'm using my hands now. I'll do it right now. Oh, gotta be careful. And here it is. Here's Eilik. I gotta be careful, sorry. I'm sorry everybody, I'm using a different tripod since this is new. My mom and dad suggest me that I want to use like this one right here. Well, I'm using a new one since it's good. And here it is. It's Eilik, owned by Energize Lab. I think I chose the blue. I think I'm gonna have to make sure I'm in the right color since the blue one just came out last year. Here's Eilik. They look like comic pictures. Let's see if I got the right color. Yep. Here's Eilik. It's also AI. If you like this robot, please rate this. If you don't like it, then just rate probably 5 out of 10, 4 out of 10, 3 out of 10, or something else. Or if you like it, just rate 10 out of 10 or 100 out of 100, I think. Sorry. Here it is. Eilik. And it says you have to be 12 years of age. Well, it might be a little violent. Well, this is cute. Well, I'm actually 14. Eilik could be ages 12 and up, just like rated T for teen, like Fortnite is rated T for teen. And this Eilik is for ages 12 and up. If you like this robot, you must be at least 12 years old, but maybe 10, 11, maybe 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, or 3-year-olds could play with this, except for 2 and 1-year-olds because children under 3 choking hazard warning. Just like Vector, you have to be 14, just like at the box. For the Vector robot, you have to be 14 years of age. Since they have a little inappropriate stuff. No, not actually inappropriate. It could be for all ages. Just like PG-13 movies. Anyways, let me clean my lens for a second since it's a little... Sorry, it's a little gross because I don't have any wipes right now, but I have napkins instead. Let's see if it's good. Actually, it might be good. I guess I'm not going to turn on Cosmo since that'll take us forever for the Wi-Fi. Anyways, I'm going to get Elinor, Fluttershy, and Zeke. And the robots. Alright, Elinor, we got a new robot. Welcome to our robot family. Alright. Put the bunny ears. I'll put Emo on top. Hope you don't fall. Hey, Emo. Let's see if this is a good one. Yeah, alright, you can come down now. Alright, I'm going to go to sleep. Hey, Emo. Go to sleep. I'm going to turn off Vector since I don't want to get distracted. Alright, here we go. They're all sleeping. Alright, let's start unboxing the Eilik robot. Here we go. Alright, Elinor. And Fluttershy, we got Eilik. Yay, Eilik! Alright. It cost me $139, Zeke. Yeah. Oh, Emo, go to sleep. I didn't call you. And Junior, we got Eilik. Yay, Eilik! Emo, not you. Go to sleep. Sorry about that. Here we go. Sorry about that. Hey. I might have to cut that scene since... Well, it's not actually a little dangerous. How about that? Okay. Here it is. Sorry, it's a little duct tape. Here we go. Let's see if they have a charger. Please note, sometimes the Eilik robots could not battery dead issues to return or something, but here it is. We got some stickers for comic book Avengers. Not Avengers, Adventures. So I couldn't pronounce it. Wow, it's kind of nice. And I chose the blue one since it came out last year. I don't know if she has a charger, but I think it connects with Android, I think. I'm not sure though. I think it might be, I'm not sure. Emo, go to sleep. And here it is. Alright. Maybe the charger's in there. Just kind of looks like a pizza box. And here it is. Oh wait, but there's tape. I better go ask the grown-up, like my mom or dad, to open this up. Or I guess I don't need it. Here we go. Let's take off this screen protector. Now let's turn her on. Oh wait, we need a charger, so it's actually in here. All right, all you moment you're waiting for. Here's the instructions. I guess you don't need the app just like Cosmo, Vector, and Emo, since just like Boxer and Ovi. For the Boxer robot, you need AI. I mean, Boxer robot, it's only for Canada, the app available. And look at that. They have a mini Oreo, strawberry shortcake. Looks like another cake, actually. Pancakes right here. A cup of coffee. And kind of looks like a soda or a juice. They're kind of similar to Barbie dolls objects. Please note, this is the fake Oreo. Do not try this at home if you have an Eilik robot, because this Oreo is not real. Do not try this at home, and do not try to eat this fake Oreo for your safety. If you have an Eilik robot at your house, please do not eat that fake Oreo. This is not an Oreo mini. Do not try this at home for your safety, for choking hazard. Anyways, now let's see what's inside. We will open it that later, but for now we're just gonna take a look. It's, I don't know what's this. I have to tell the grown-ups so I can help with this, since I'm not expert building robots. Well, I'm a fan of robots, and here's her charger. And the last one, I don't know what's this. You could tell me in the comments. It looked like a sticker, actually. I'm not sure. And that's it. Alright, we got her charger. I think it connects to just like Android or something. Alright. Alright, now I have to tell the grown-ups, so Alright, I'm gonna stop the camera. It took like 10 minutes for this. Now I have her charger. We're gonna see if it fits. Here we go. I don't know if we will. Oh yes, I think a little bit. Or this way, I think. Alright, I'm gonna... There we go. Let's see if it works. Oh, okay. Alright, everybody. She is still low battery, so we gotta wait her to be finished. Alright, maybe it will be finished like at 12 or something. Alright, everybody. Hey, Eilik. Let's see if I could play with her right now. Nope, not yet. Alright, I'll let you know when it's done. The video's not over yet, but we will wait for a few hours. Alright, let's see when I... Alright, the rest of the robots are going back to the charger. Alright, that's it. I'll see you when it's complete 100%. So everybody, it just turned off already. Let me see if it works. Oh, it's still. Alright, we'll wait for a long hour. I don't know when it will be finished. I'll let you know when it's done. Wait. I thought you could use a long hour. Alright, everybody. Eilik's ready. Wow, look at this robot. Here we go. Let's see if she will make us cry. Alright. Before we end the video, what do you think about this robot, Fluttershy? Yeah, I like it. Alright. Right, Zeke? Yeah, it's nice. Hi, Eilik. Hope you like it. That reminds me of Cosmo's mother because Cosmo's white. Hey, Cosmo, this is your new mother. And she is playing Super Eilik. Let's go. Just like Mario. Super Eilik. Game over. That's a lot of routines. Yeah, Fluttershy. Elinor, meet Eilik. Yes. Alright. Here's the worst part. I mean, best part. Is this making shakes. He doesn't make shakes. Oh. Alright, hope you like this robot. Let's go pet her. Wait. Hey, Eilik. He won't let her pet. Alright, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye. Pony. Pinky promise. He doesn't like it. She doesn't like it. Alright, that's it.